name is Nicholas Graves and I'm the Roads Maintenance Program Supervisor.
My name is Amy Epperly and I'm the supervisor here at Kitsap County Elections.
I'm Doug Bear. I'm the Public Communications Manager for the county.
In the Roads Department, we're constantly thinking of ways to make things more efficient, to make things better. We strive for that professional grade product every time that we go out and do a project, whether it's filling a pothole, mowing, cleaning a ditch, resurfacing a road, replacing a culvert. We're constantly looking at new and different ways to positively affect the environment around us.
My favorite part of this job is the people that I work with. They're wonderful. We have such a dedicated team. We are on a shared mission to make sure that elections in this county are accessible and they are transparent. Our full-time staff is only 9 people, but like I said, our extra help staff is up to 150 people, and we have folks who have been working here for 20 years that keep coming back to work with our department because it's just the best place to be.
I think Kitsap County, for me, has provided me opportunities that I didn't even know existed. Again, I had my own plan of what I was going to do, but by good leadership, a sound foundation in developing employees, and the opportunities that I was given, I'm not positive that you could find that in different career fields. I think government gives a great opportunity for an energetic person with good ideas to have the opportunity to implement some of those in a career.
I love where I work because I live here and I get to positively affect the environment that I live and work and play in every day.
For me, this has just been a wellspring of opportunity and knowledge and excitement, and it's afforded me so many wonderful things in my life.
After working here 36.5 years, I couldn't imagine working anywhere else. Love where you work for Kitsap County.